Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for joining in today's video. I hope you all are doing good. I hope this winter season is treating you good. And let me tell you guys, wedding season is on and so do the Amazon beauty sale. Amazon Pay beauty sale live ho chuka hai from 22nd of this month. You can also get the benefit from this particular sale because when a season change, our vanity has to get updated. So without a further ado, let's just get jump into the video and see what this video is all about. Alright guys, so I've been attending a lot of wedding and parties these days, and what I have observed is that जब इस बार मैंने मेकअप किया, my makeup was little drier, it was little flaky, it was cracking from here and there, and I started looking for the reason for it. Then I thought, oh yes, I have to update my vanity as per the season. Now it was not the case with me in my past times. It was not the case कि मेरा I have to update my things, I have to update my vanity, but sometimes what happens is that maybe internally your skin is not treating you well. Maybe your skin need more hydration, maybe something is not going good. That is actually really visible on your facial skin. So this time I thought to give it a try and changing my makeup ritual, and I found it really good, so I thought to share it with you people. So when winter comes, maximum people complain about drier skin because it tends to get drier, maybe of less hydration, maybe of those that how, what do you say? I mean the stretchiness of the skin. So winters में usually आपका skin dry होता है. It was not the case with me in my past times, but this time I am actually getting this problem a lot. So in this video, I'm going to share that how you can create, because wedding season on ho raha hai. You should update your vanity. You should change the product as per your skin type, as per your skin demand. So today in this video, I'm going to talk about all the base products which you can actually buy from this Amazon beauty sale at a very affordable and very good discount. So let's just get into the video and talk about our first product. सबसे पहले अगर मैं बात करूं आपके मेकअप की, योर मेकअप हैज टू बी वेल हाइड्रेटेड एंड द बेस विच यू आर डूइंग हैज टू बी अ गुड वन. आई मीन अ प्री मेकअप रिचुअल. सो प्री मेकअप रिचुअल में क्या होता है, यू हैव टू एक्चुअली प्रिपेयर योर स्किन so that whatever the products you're going to apply, they won't make your skin dry, they won't make your makeup base dry, flaky and cracky. So the first thing which I chose to do is to apply a really good facial oil. So here I want to talk about few facial oils. The first one is this Good Vibes ka Rose Hip Oil. This is such an amazing oil. This is amazing. This is very affordable. This comes with the pump and the drops inside. You can actually, just put it on it and leave it for good 3 to 4 minutes before you do any makeup. You can even use it as a base, but I try to use this as a facial oil. I mean a serum. What I like to do is कि मैं makeup से approx 5-7 minutes पहले I like to apply it. I massage it well in my skin and I leave it. Then I see the demand of my skin. If my skin need more hydration, then only I choose the another product. So the first facial oil which I really want to recommend here is the Good Vibes Rose Hip Oil. The second one which I want to talk about is the Forever 52 Rose Hip Seed Oil. This is a facial oil. This actually increase the luster in your skin, and if your skin is showing up dull, this actually do wonders to it. Now, this basically a facial oil comes with a lot of other benefits also. You can actually use it as a facial oil. I mean, if you can just apply it and can leave it, that also works good. This won't make your skin tacky or maybe look really oily. This is a really good facial oil. Apart from this, there is one more oil which I want to talk about, is the Indulgio Rose Gold Indulgio oil. I mean Indulgio Rose Gold oil. I am running out of that particular oil, but I have used that particular rose gold oil in my past times, and that do wonders to the skin. वो भी आपके स्किन को एक बहुत अच्छा सा शाइन और लश्चर देता है, and it actually gives you a really pre-makeup base for your makeup. It won't make your skin dry at all. Now, for all those oily people, I'm not saying that if your skin is behaving dry, then not dry, then also you have to use it. But yes, if you really want to use a good product to make your makeup bake looks shiny, healthy, and nourished, then there is one, a tea tree and papaya oil control serum. This is basically to control all this oil for the oily people. You can actually use this papaya one, whereas for the dry people, for the dry skin people, you can use this rose hip oil, right? So let's just move towards my next product. ये तो हो गया सीरम्स की बात. अब अगर हम प्राइमर की बात कर लें, कुछ प्राइमर ऐसे हैं जो आप यूज कर सकते हो. नाउ देयर मस्ट बी सम पीपल जो एक्चुअली में सीरम यूज नहीं करना चाहते, दे वांट टू यूज ओनली प्राइमर. For primer, I would highly suggest that these winters try to use good and thick moisturizers. Now, if I talk about moisturizers, the first one is this Nutriderm moisturizing lotion. This does contain vitamin E in it. This actually going to, create a lot of nourishment in your skin. This is such a wonderful product. I have been using it from past 2 to 3 years now. Whenever I think that my skin need intense moisturizing, I go back to this particular moisturizer. Not only this, not only me, but my family members also use this. So this is for all skin types. This is good to go for every age people. You can use it. Now, if you are a person who is looking for like a little high end product, then I would say you should go for this embryollis. This is a pre makeup moisturizer. This moisturizer is again full of nourishment. This is actually going to create a thick layer of nourishment on your skin, and is going to work as a pre makeup primer and a nourishment moisturizer as well. So you can also look for this embryollis product. For all these products, I'm going to mention the link down in the description box, so make sure you go ahead and check that. So these are the two products which I highly suggest. Now, if you want another product, there is one more product which you can actually use, is the Plume moisturizer. That is the skill blurring moisturizer primer. That's basically a primer, but again it is a cream based moisturizer. Cream based primer works as a moisturizer as well. You can also use that. I'll leave all the links down in the description box, so make sure you go and check that. Let's move towards foundations now. Now, if I talk about foundations, there are so many brands which actually serve you dewy foundations, maybe low coverage foundations, which is actually not going to make your skin that dry and cakey. But I would like to talk about one foundation here which I recently started using. Let me tell you, to be very honest, I have recently started using it. I was always a fan of Forever foundations, Wet n Wild foundations, Maybelline Superstay foundations. I was always a big fan of those foundations. Even if it is winters, even if it's summers, I try to go back to those foundation. But recently I started using this mamaearth glow serum foundation. This does contain vitamin C, again a product with no parabens, no sulfates, and made safe. So this is the foundation which I'm currently wearing now. With this foundation, you don't get the full coverage, right? But in winters, when your skin shows up dryness, I highly don't like full coverage foundations. I mean, these days, right? So picked up this foundation. This is a glow serum foundation for myself, and surprisingly, this is doing really good. You can see that. I mean, yeah, but I have a lot of freckles. If you know me from past, यहाँ पर मेरे पास बहुत सारे फ्रेकल्स है. इसने किसी हद तक उनको कवर किया है. आई हैव बीन मैंने अभी एक मेकअप लुक क्रिएट किया था इस पर्टिकुलर फाउंडेशन से. बहुत हद तक इसने बहुत कुछ कवर किया है. येस, इट इज नॉट अ फुल कवरेज फाउंडेशन, बट ये आपकी स्किन को ड्राई नहीं करेगा. आपकी स्किन को एक डूई लुक देगा. सेकेंडली, थर्डली, ये आपकी स्किन को बिल्कुल भी फ्लेकी और बहुत अच्छे से सीप इन कर जाएगा एंड बहुत इजीली ब्लेंड हो जाएगा. So if you want to increase the coverage, you can layer it up twice. That's totally your choice. Basically, if you know me from past, I don't like layering up my foundations because I know layering foundation can end up, a cracky or maybe a flaky base. I like to use, 1 to 2 pumps of this foundation This is what I have done. I took 1 to 2 pump of this foundation, blended all around my face, and somehow I can see that this has done a wonderful job. So this particular one is my currently favorite, which I have been using it for all my wedding season, for my parties and for upcoming parties also. So I'll be sticking to this. इसके अंदर काफी सारे shades हैं. You can look up with your shades and you can try it. So this one is the one for all those people जिनको dry skin का problem हो रहा है, या winters में in fact ये आप यूज कर सकते हो. ऑयली पीपल भी इसको यूज कर सकते हैं. दिस इज दैट गुड फाउंडेशन. मुझे ये काफी अच्छी लगी. लेटली आई स्टार्टेड यूजिंग इट. ये काफी देर से मार्केट में, ऐसा नहीं है, but I have never trusted on this foundation. I don't know for what reason, but yes, now that I have bought it, I'm really liking it. So yeah, this was the foundation. There is no other foundation which which I can recommend you now, because I've been trying this from last 2-3 months and this is doing wonders. Though I am a big fan of Forever foundations, I'm a big fan of Maybelline Superstay foundations. I'll also mention the link for those in the description box. If you want to buy them, you can go then. The Maybelline Fit Me one is still better. I mean, that also give you a, let me show you, like these one. This is similar to this not full coverage. They don't make your skin cracky or flaky. But if I talk about super stays one, like this one, these do make your skin little drier, and you have to cope up with them with a lot of good moisturizer. So yeah, that is it for the foundations. Let's move towards my next product. So the next product I really want to talk about here is that whenever you do all the makeup, I won't get into eyeshadows, eyeliners, this and that. I'm just talking about a base. Now, in order to set the base, we use makeup fixer sprays. Now, there are a lot of makeup fixer sprays available in market, but I would highly suggest if you can buy something on which it says that high in hydration and dewy finish. Now, I have this Forever 52 long wear fixing spray. This actually gives me a dewy finish. Now see, there are फिक्सिंग स्प्रेज अवेलेबल इन मार्केट, जिसको आप मेकअप फिक्सर बोलते हो या फिक्सर स्प्रेज बोलते हो. सो बेसिकली बहुत सारे ऐसे फिक्सर्स होते हैं जो आपको एक मैट लुक देते हैं, बट बहुत सारे ऐसे फिक्सर्स होते हैं जो आपको डूई लुक देते हैं. इफ आई टॉक अबाउट दिस पर्टिकुलर, दिस एक्चुअली गिव्स मी अ डूई फिनिश. नाउ इसके बाद आई लव 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 द sugar setting spray, the makeup dewy mist करके नाम है उसका. I'll just mention the link of that in the description box. I love 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 that particular fixer spray. So make sure whenever you are fixing your makeup, you are choosing a product which gives you a dewy finish, not a matte finish. So if you pick a product which gives you dewy finish, ultimately it is not going to make your skin dry and going to provide you the intense hydration. There is Mac Fix Plus. That is Mac का Fix Plus आता है. That is my personal favorite. I love that too. But for regular use, I don't use that. Costly. I try to use the affordable products so that I can always keep on restocking them. So I like to use all these products. So yeah, that is it for the video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you like all my products recommendation. Beauty sale is live on Amazon. Make sure if you want to buy something related to this, you can go ahead and make your cart and can buy these products. I shall meet you in my next one. Till then, you take care. Bye bye.